Samsung has announced its most advanced smartphone, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, at the recently held Unpacked 2024. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC for Galaxy, it is the most expensive non-foldable Samsung flagship you can get on the market today. While the high-end smartphone is already on pre-sale in India with a starting price of Rs129,999 for the base variant, it is available at a slightly lower price in select markets. If you are planning to buy the Galaxy S24 Ultra from outside India, here's how much the latest Galaxy smartphone will cost in countries like the US, UK, Canada, Dubai, and more. However, keep in mind that these are official retail prices for the base model of the Galaxy S24 Ultra with 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, and one could get some additional discounts, even in India, which will bring down the price of the device by up to 22,000 rupees. Considering the official retail price, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is up to 20,000 rupees cheaper in markets like the US, Hong Kong, Canada, and Thailand. However, the price disparity isn't as dramatic as the iPhone 15 Pro series, where the iPhone 15 Pro is up to 40,000 rupees cheaper in countries. And one more thing, if you opt to buy the Galaxy S24 Ultra for the US, you need to pay an additional local state tax, which can be as high as 10% in states like California. If you are planning to fly to another country just to buy a Galaxy S24 Ultra at a cheaper price, it might not be a great idea. By combining bank offers and discounts, one can get the Galaxy S24 Ultra with 512GB of internal storage comes to around Rs117,999 in India.